Hello everyone, and welcome back. Today I'm playing in some loose pigment again. Starting out by priming my eyelids with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Fair Beige. For the outer crease, I'm using the Natasha Denona Peak palette with the shade Thorn. I'm creating the shape I want with the eyeshadow. I'll still clean it up after though. Blending the edge of the brow bone with the shade Ya. Right now I have a bit of pinched nerve in my neck, so it's a bit hard to turn my head to blend the eyeshadow. Using a skin tone shade to blend edges is a good way to make everything look really blended and soft. Applying the NYX glitter glue as a sticky base to apply the loose pigment on top of. This is the notoriously morbid pigment in Kraken, a lilac shade with flecks of multi-chrome glitter. I'm lightly blending it into the edge of the brown, more blending the colors together. Softening the edge with a Ya. This glitter glue is the best if you have oily eyelids that crease easily. This seems to help the longevity of the eyeshadow before it starts creasing. This pigment is so pretty. I just wish it was easier to show the flecks of multi-chrome foil. My prosthetic honestly feel like I should have blended the edges of the lilac more. Starting my base with the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Primer. Concealing my under eyes and any redness with the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer in Fair Beige. I love that I was able to wear this concealer out Saturday with just a light powder foundation to finish the look, and it wore beautifully. For my base, I'm mixing the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 and the Revlon Colorstay Foundation in 110 Ivory. I've actually started liking my freckles, so I've been using thinner layers of foundation and I really like how it looks. Pressing in the Coty Air Spun Translucent Setting Powder with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Powder Puff. If you're an oily girly, pressing the powder in is the way to go. Dusting the rest of my face with a fluffy brush and dusting away any extra powder. For blush, I'm lightly layering the Beauty in a Blinc Glow Getter Face Palette Blush in Resilient. Highlighting with the same face palette, using the shade Empowered. Bronzing with the Makeup Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette to add warmth back into the face. Framing the bottom lash line with the Thorn eyeshadow, I like the mix of the warm brown in contrast to the lilac on the lid. For the inner third, I'm using the shade Shine from the Natasha Denona palette. Melting the powders with the Mannakadar Skincare Hydration Happy Mist. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. I need to get an eyebrow pen so I can add some fake hair like flicks. The tails of my brows are so thin. Setting my brows in place with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Brow Lift Gel. Lining my eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I think it's about time to retire this tube and get out the new one. It's getting so dried out. For the lips, I'm just using the e.l.f. Cosmetics Lip Lacquer in Black Cherry. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.